Hello everyone! Today I am excited to share with you my recent experience at 3 Meters authorized dealer RONIN Road Custom Auto Shop, where I recently installed a full tint and windshield tint sunstrip on my 2021 Black Chevrolet Silverado 1500. As a busy professional, I always strive to keep my car looking its best and protecting my privacy while driving. I chose the 3 Meters Professional Full Black Tint for its high-quality appearance and excellent light reflection control, ensuring that I can maintain an aerodynamic car profile while still providing the necessary privacy and safety. The team at RONIN Road Custom Auto Shop was incredibly professional and patient throughout the installation process. They took the time to explain the different products and options available, ensuring that I made the best decision for my Silverado. The installation went smoothly, and the results are impressive. My car now has a sleek, full black finish with a smooth, undisturbed view from inside. In addition to the full tint, I also decided to install a windshield tint sunstrip for additional privacy and sun protection. The 3 Meters sunstrip film is designed to block out up to 98% of harmful UV rays, ensuring that my passengers and I stay comfortable in the car during those hot summer days. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with the workmanship and quality of the full tint and windshield tint sunstrip installation at RONIN Road Custom Auto Shop.